We all wish something or we desire something. And if we desire it very badly, then we say that we are desiring from our heart. But still we are not getting it. Why don't we get or why don't we achieve what we desire from our heart? The reason is simple, that we don't know how to attain it. Now watch this video and find out how to attain your heart's desire. I, Colonel Sanjeet Sirohi, a motivational speaker, will tell you 4 tips. And with the help of those 4 tips, you will be able to achieve your heart desire. Now, first is that in the real world there are 2 things which are very, very important. Firstly, you must know that what you want in your life. And that should be from your heart. You must truly want that thing in your life. And once you know that you want that thing in your life, then you must blaze your own trail. No one is going to blaze the trail for you. अपनी लड़ाई खुद लड़नी पड़ेगी. तो सबसे पहले आपको ये जानना है कि आपको ज़िंदगी में चाहिए क्या. और एक बार आपको ये पता लग जाए कि मुझे ज़िंदगी में ये चाहिए, then you must go all out to achieve that. I will tell you few tips which will help you in achieving that. First of all, you must be open to a discovery. You must keep your eyes and ears open. You don't find your heart desire as much as the heart desire will find you. आपको ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Heart desire will find you, provided you meet 2 conditions. First is you have to be positive, and secondly you have to be receptive. When you are both positive and receptive, you will find that you are invited to pursue a goal or embark upon a project. Then it is entirely up to you. You want to accept the invitation or you don't want to accept the invitation. But once you accept the invitation, then there is no choice. You have to move forward. And when you move forward, you may have to go out of your comfort zone. I will say not may, you will have to go out of your comfort zone. So you must be mentally prepared, because life is not easy. If you want something, then you have to pay something. You will find that the path that beckons you is that which will use your unique abilities and your unique personality. We have all come in this world with unique ability and unique personality. There is no second person like you in this world now, or there will be no second person like you in the future also. You are a unique personality with your unique abilities. So the path, जो रास्ता आपको अपनी हार्ट डिज़ायर की तरफ जाएगा, वो रास्ता वो होगा जिसमें आप अपनी एबिलिटीज़ और अपनी पर्सनैलिटीज़ को अच्छी तरह इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Now we move on to the second point. The second point is you must expand your belief. Now a lot of people get frustrated when they don't achieve what they want in life. That is because that is the easiest thing to do. अपने फ्रस्ट्रेट होकर बैठ जाओगे, जी मैं तो चाहता था लेकिन मुझे ज़िंदगी में मिला नहीं. But the problem is not that. The problem often is that we have a limited belief system. हमारी सोच बहुत छोटी है. ना वो छोटी क्यों है? Because we live in a limited material world. हमको बचपन से ये बताया जाता है कि इस चीज़ का भाव है, इस चीज़ को ठीक से इस्तेमाल करो. As a result of that, our mind and our consciousness also become limited. Now, what happens is that we start getting frustrated about it. The best thing is that your belief system and your self-talk must support what you want to achieve in life. So make sure that your dominant thought should be focusing on what you want. Now, what is a dominant thought? पूरे 24 घंटे में हमारे दिमाग में एक कोई चीज़ ऐसी घूमती है जो ज़्यादा टाइम वही घूमती रहती है हमारे दिमाग में. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि वो हर रोज़ वही रहती है. इट मे चेंज. टुडे इट मे बी समथिंग, टुमारो इट मे बी डिफरेंट. बट एक दिन में एक चीज़ जरूर घूमती रहती है, और एक चीज़ वो जरूरी हो सकता है कि वो कई दिन तक घूमती रहे, महीने तक घूमते रहे, साल तक घूमते रहे, पूरी जिंदगी घूमती रहे. सो दैट इज ए डोमिनेंट थॉट. सो व्हाट यू डू इज यू हैव योर डोमिनेंट थॉट फोकस ऑन व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव इन लाइफ and not what you don't want to achieve in life. What normally happens is that we are focusing on the negative things. कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो जाए मेरे साथ, अब मैं ये स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, कहीं ये फेल ना हो जाए. तो that is the thing. No, your dominant thought should be कि मेरा ये हो जाएगा, आई विल डू दिस, मेरा ये जब व्हेन आई विल डू दिस इट समथिंग विल पॉजिटिव विल हैपन. सो दैट इज द डोमिनेंट थॉट. यू हैव टू फोकस on what you want in life. Third thing is positive emotions and feelings. You accelerate your success and you achieve your heart desire when you not only think positive but you feel positive. This is the most important point I want you to understand. Because हर आदमी ये कहता है जी पॉजिटिव सोचो, पॉजिटिव सोचो, पॉजिटिव. Yes, you must think positive, but that is only 20%. 80% is you must feel positive. Now, how do you feel positive? वो feeling positive कौन सी होती है? I'll give you an example. You see a small child smiling at you. That is the feeling, positive feeling I'm talking about. And if you have this feeling consistently with you, you become a human magnet. You start attracting wonderful things in your life. So, think positive, feel positive. Next, we move on to the next point, which is follow the passion and not the money. Well, I know most of you may not agree to it because in today's materialistic world, everyone is talking about money only. Yes, money is important. But let me tell you one thing, and what I am telling you is I am telling you with experience of about 6 decades or more than that. If you follow something to achieve money in life, then I am sorry to say that neither you will achieve money, you will get money, nor you will be able to achieve your heart desire. 100% guarantee. But if you pursue your career or hobby in an excited manner, with a positive feeling, with a positive emotions, then you will achieve your heart desire also, and in addition to that, you will get money also. So, fourth point is don't pursue after money. Follow your passion, follow your career or job which excites you, and money will automatically come to you. Now, finally, I want to tell you is the actual act of achieving your heart desire is not very exhilarating. You must be very careful about it. ये नहीं है कि अगर आपकी heart desire मिल जाएगी तो आपकी पूरी जिंदगी आ जाएगी. There will be total pleasure and joy and bliss around you. No. The actual joy is in going through the journey, where you learn every day something, you become something, and then you achieve your heart desire. So the journey is equally pleasurable. It will be more pleasurable than the destination. So keep these 4 things in mind. Open to discovery. Number 2 is your positive emotions and feelings. Follow the passions and the money and your belief system. If you follow these 4 tips, I can assure you, you will achieve your heart desire. Thank you. Jai Hind.